Okay, so this is the medium mod light test. So we're going to do a few different variations here. I'm going to do one low light setting where it's daytime but all the shades are drawn in this dark room. And then I'm going to go ahead and do one at nighttime where it's pitch black. There's no light peering in from anywhere. And then I'm also going to do a light test outside from the backyard. And so I'm also going to use a headlamp, because some people, like the person who suggested this video, is going to be out in some caves and stuff using their media mod. So sometimes if you're outside, you may be using a headlamp, you may be using another external light, but you want to know how well this media mod LED works as well. Or say this one dies, that's all you got. What can you really expect? What can you depend on with this media mod light? Well, we're going to find out right now. SK Lifestyle, let's get started. Alright, so for the first test, we have a low light setting during the daytime, indoors. All the shades are drawn and we are 10 feet away from the wall. So of course the camera's running right now just on 4K cinematic. No added light other than what's peering through the blinds. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the media mod light right now. And I'm going to start it off on the low setting, and it's going to have the filter on. So there we are, filter on. Now let's go ahead and see filter off. Quite a bit of difference between the two. Okay, now we are going to go to the medium setting. That is with the filter on. Now we'll go ahead and do filter off. Alright, and now for the highest setting. That is with the filter on, of course. And then lastly, we are going to do with the filter off. Okay, and just for some kind of reference, and now here's the low light setting with just a headlamp. Oh, if I can get it. So there's just the headlamp. And then I am going to turn this media mod light on. And there it is with the highest setting, no filter. So you can see what it's like without it, without the headlamp, with the headlamp. So both lights definitely make a difference. Oh, and by the way, this was by request of one of my viewers and subscribers. I appreciate you subscribing. So don't forget, if you have any interest in something else that kind of spawns off a video, or you're just kind of interested in that you see me do before, you have questions about, leave it in the comments section. Let me know. I'll let you know whether I can do it or not. And if I can, I usually try to get the video out pretty quick to you guys and girls. So I appreciate you all watching, subscribing. Keep leaving those suggestions. SK Lifestyle. All right, we are back in the nighttime, and let me go ahead and switch these lights off, and we will get right to it. So that is what it looks like with the lights off in pitch black. The camera is still the same distance, 10 feet away from the wall. Do you see anything? I bet not. All right, well, let me go ahead and turn on the light. That is with the media mod light with the filter, lowest setting. Now let me go ahead and remove the filter. That's lowest setting without the filter. Pretty stark difference right there. Alright, now let me go to the next setting. That is the second level with the filter. Now here's that without it. Pretty good contrast. Again, remember, this is pitch black in here. Alright, now let me throw that back on and we'll go to the third setting. There's the third setting there. So you can see this third setting with the filter is about the same amount of light as the first setting without the filter. So let me go ahead and remove this now. Remember, this is the highest setting without the filter. So there we go. Pitch black, that's what it looks like with the media mod light, highest setting there is. Now again, I will do this also with the headlamp. So let's go ahead and turn this headlamp on, and maybe I can do a better job and actually get it onto a setting there. So I got the media mod light on the highest setting and the headlamp here. So not too bad. And now I'm going to go ahead, throw on the light here. And once again, that's what it looks like with all of them on and now all of them off. So you can see there's a pretty big difference. All right, now for the final test, we're going to go ahead and go outside and see how well it works out in the dark. All right, here's our last test. We're outside. I'm looking right out the back door of my garage into the backyard. So you can see some trees in the distance about 35, 40 feet away. You can probably see the shed about 50 feet away. And even our little, composter right here, which is about 15 feet from us at about 1, 2 o'clock. So this is what it looks like with nothing on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn the media mod light on. There is setting 1. Here is it without the filter. Setting 2. Setting 2 without the filter. Now you can start to see the composter. And if you hear a little noise in the background, sorry, that's the street behind us. And now setting 3. With the filter. Without the filter. Still a little hard to see the trees and the shed about 50 feet away. And now, here is that with the headlamp. So just the headlamp by itself. So it does make a difference. You can start to see the tree back there. And my light's starting to die, but it is still going. Here we go. Last time, full light. And it makes a difference. So, let me know what you guys think. Not too bad, right? Alright, so what are your thoughts? Do you really think it's worth it to purchase this Media Mod light with the Media Mod itself? In my opinion, it was. I got a good deal on it. I got a discount when I bought everything together at the moment for like Black Friday. But either way, I think that it makes a pretty good difference. Even in the daylight, just to have kind of like a vlogging light, a little more illumination on you isn't bad. And then certainly in the dark, I know from my past GoPros, it's just all blacked out. You got to raise up the brightness. It's just not a good thing when you have this on. And then I also like the filter. My only suggestion is this filter, there's no clip or anything. It just is rubber. It just kind of sits on there. Order a couple of them. Get some backups because you're going to have it in a bag. You're going to have it here. As soon as you take it off and you're busy, you're going to lose it. You know what I'm saying? It is white, but still, it's going to be hard to see, especially in the dark. So order a couple of them. Have them on backup. But I would like to know, what are you guys using if not the Media Mod light? What are your kind of give and takes as to why you're on the fence about it? Leave all those questions and comments down below in the comments section. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Certainly helps out my channel, helps me bring all these great videos to you and notify you when I put them out. So I appreciate you all watching, and I will see you next time. SK Lifestyle.